I have been told about a maths problem regarding numbering pages of a book. It's not a normal numbering of the book. Normally we have page number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. With this particular numbering, every three number they miss the third number. So we have 1, 2, miss 3, 4, 5, miss 6, 7, 8, miss 9, 10, 11, miss 9, etc. Now, if I had, for example, 5 pages, so number of pages, say 5. I want to know how I could find a pattern for any number of pages. So I start with only a small number of pages. So I will have 1, 2, miss 3, 4, 5, miss 6, 7. How would I get 7 on the 5th page? This would be the number of natural numbers and the number of printed pages. So natural numbers are the one which usually know the books are numbered, and the printed numbers are those which with the missing every 3 number. So we have out of every 3 number 1, 2, 3, we've used 2. Out of 4, 5, 6, we've used 2. Out of 7, 8, 9, we use 2, 7 and 8. So the ratio of natural numbers to printed numbers is 3 to 2. For every 3 natural number, I use 2 for printing purpose. So that means in order to obtain the number on the 5th page, I need to use the number of pages and divide that by 2, because for every 2 printed number, I will have 3 natural numbers. So times that by 3, and that would give me 15 over 2, which is 7.5. Since I can't have half a page, therefore my answer would be 7, the printed page on the 5th page. So 5th page will have number 7 appearing on it. Let's use an even number of pages. Say number of pages is 8. So we have 1, 2, miss 3, 4, 5, miss 6, 7, 8, miss 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on the 8th page, the number 11 will be printed. Again, use that number. Use number 8, number of pages. Divide that by 2, because for every group of 2, you need 3 natural numbers. So that becomes 3 times 8, 24, divided by 2, 12. 12 must appear on the 8th page, but 12 is a multiple of 3. 12 is never there to be printed. Therefore, we go to the previous page, which is 11. So on the 8th page, we'll have number 11. This task told us about, you can see now a slight change in calculation of the page number when the number of pages are odd and when it's even. When it's odd, when we divide the number of pages by 2 times by 3, I ended up with a decimal value. So all I had to do, get rid of the decimal value, and that would give me the value of, give me the page number on 5th page. When it's even number, when I divide by 2 times by 3, it gives me one of those multiples of 3 which I need to get rid of. So I cannot have 12 because 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, these are omitted. So in this case, by removing 1, I get back to the actual page number when it's numbered in that style. Now, the investigation asked me what number would be on the 89th page of the book. So number of pages is 89. As before, I want to know how many groups of 2 can fit in here. For every group of 2, I need 3 natural numbers. As we said, it's a ratio of 3 to 2. So multiply that by 3 and divide by 2. That gives me 267 divided by 2, which is 133.5. Since it's a decimal value, all I do, get rid of the decimal value and just write the whole number before the decimal value attached to it. So therefore, the number of the page, number of 89th page, would be numbered as 133. This is the end of the explanation of this investigation. Using this method, dividing the number of pages by 2 times by 3, it gives you the number that's going to be printed on that particular page. As you saw, in order to investigate on such a number, such as 89 or a big number, I decided to start with a small number of pages so I could actually see the numbers. So when I try to work out a method, I use numbers which I can very quickly be able to check my answer against the actual numbers. I used an even number, small even numbers, then I use a odd number, then I use a small even number, and again it gave me a method of how to adjust my final answer in order to get the actual page number. And then I went to a big number, since I know I now have a method for even number and odd number, 89 being an odd number. As before, divide by 2 times by 3. And I removed the decimal values from the whole number.